back to my half of the channel. As you see, I put a light bar and a roof rack on here. Not really, that's Brody's in the background, but it is in the works for 2020. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a budget build for an off-road Porsche. We saw some Trans-Siberian Porsche Cayennes that got my inspiration, but we don't have a whole lot of money, so I'm gonna do it on a budget and show you guys how you can do it and accomplish those same things that we're about to do. We are going to make a roof rack like Brody's. I've found some coilovers. I was going to do a spacer kit, but it's coming out of Russia. It's going to take like 3 months to get here. Found some coilovers for around the same price, a little bit more, but I'm going to try to fit some 35s on here with the coilovers and just kind of keep it a little simple, but still make it work off-road. So for my front bumper, we're gonna try to find a salvage bumper, so I'm not hacking up the original one. So if I do decide to resell it, we're not hacking up the original parts, so it can go back to stock. But what we're thinking is get a salvage one, like I was saying, and cut it about here so we can get some good approach angles, and yeah, go from there. Throw some front lights on there. So on the rear bumper, we're gonna try to find another salvage bumper like the front bumper, but if nothing else, right here is a lower textured piece that we can take off, and so it gives us a little bit more clearance. As I said, we're gonna try to find a tire carrier for the rear hitch, but if not, me and Brody are obviously gonna make one and show you guys how to make one yourself, walk you through the steps, what parts and supplies you need, and eventually, I like to go absolutely crazy with this thing and get a used rear hatch and cut that up and put 2 spares in the rear, but that's for a later date. So guys, that's gonna be my 2020 build for the Porsche. It's gonna be a budget build, like I said, so it's gonna be very practical and very easy for you guys to do. We'll walk you through everything that I buy, the price, exactly what brands we're using, and how to build your own stuff if we can't find an already made one. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in 2020, guys. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna post on Instagram the whole steps, so follow me there to stay tuned for this build.